Hello everyone, myself Princy Christian, and today we are going to start our first topic of GK. So the topic is Forest 2. Here we are going to learn about different facts about different famous forests. Okay, so let's begin. Forests are the natural wealth of the country. Read about some of the world famous forests and name them. So here we are given clue about some forest. Okay, we have to read it and then we have to name the forest. Okay, let's start. Number 1, it has been described lungs of our planet because 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by this forest. This is believed to be home to more than half of the world's species of flora and fauna. Now about this forest, it is said that it is the lungs of our planet because according to this detail, it produces 20% of world's oxygen, and also it is a home to many species of flora and fauna. Flora means flower and fauna means animals. And this is I'll give you a hint that this is the biggest rainforest. It is Amazon rainforest. It is the world's largest rainforest, and the Amazon river, it once flowed westward instead of eastward as it does today. Today it flows eastward, but there was a time when it flowed westward. This Amazon rainforest is estimated to have 16,000 tree species and 390 billion individual trees. 16,000 are just the species, and if we count the trees individually, there are around 390 billion individual trees. Nearly 2/3 of the Amazon rainforest is found in Brazil. Amazon rainforest is very vast, it is very big, and the two-third of the Amazon rainforest is found in Brazil. Next, number 2. This is one of the finest and the most impressive remaining examples of temperate rainforest in the United States. The trees there may be 1,000 years old, and every surface of the tree is covered with its own plant life, which makes it an individual small microcosm. And the name of this forest is Hoh Rainforest. It is located on the Olympic Peninsula in the Pacific Northwest. It is located in western Washington state and is one of the largest temperate rainforests in the US. And it receives almost 140 to 170 inches of rain per year. In 1 year, it can receive 140 to 170 inches of rain, around 150 inches. Nextly, third number, famous for its historical association with the legend of Robin Hood. Today, it is a royal forest in Nottinghamshire and has a status of National Natural Reserve. Here we are talking about a forest which is related to the famous legend, historical story of Robin Hood. Robin Hood was a thief, a mischievous person. Okay, he would steal from the rich and donate it to the poor. This forest is famous for being the home of the legendary outlaw Robin Hood. It covers just over 1,000 acres. In the 10th century, the forest was established as the royal hunting ground. So only the king or the other lucky and wealthy people were allowed to hunt there. Also, the king introduced strict laws against the building in the forest or removing the wood. Anyone caught would be fined, put in jail, or even killed if they were caught more than once. So the king introduced strict laws that if someone tried to cut the wood, take the wood, or deforest it, so they would be fined or put in jail, and if they did it more than once, they would even get killed. It was once the largest of almost 100 royal forests that covered England during the medieval times. During the medieval times, there were many royal forests, and almost among the 100 royal forests, This forest, Sherwood Forest, was the largest forest in that covered England, and over 1400 species of beetles and 200 types of spiders can be found in this forest. This forest contains 1400 species of beetles and 200 types of spiders. 1400 species, not individual. If we divide in individual, the counting has to be gone very far, very high. Fourth one, it is the most unique rainforest in Australia and also the most diverse in the world. This forest contains 18% of the bird species of Australia, 30% of the marsupial, reptile and frog species, 65% of the Australian butterfly and bat species, along with more than 12,000 species of insects. So here we are talking about a Daintree rainforest. It is very unique rainforest in Australia, and it mostly has the species of birds, insects, reptiles, frogs, etc. It is the home to over 3,000 species of plants. Over 3,000 species of plants are found here, and it contains 395 species that are listed as either rare or threatened. Among these 3,000 species, there are 395 species that are considered to be rare, which means that are not found anywhere else, or threatened, that means they are not found anywhere else and so they need to be saved. It is over 1200 square kilometers in size. The Daintree rainforest is over 1200 square kilometers in size. It is believed to be over 135 million years old. This Daintree rainforest is believed to be over 135 million years old. The Daintree gained its official World Heritage listing back on the 9th of December 1988. It was declared as the official World Heritage on 9th of December 1988. Nextly, number 5. Stretching 500 miles along the southeast coast of Alaska, it is the largest national forest in the United States. This is certainly an extremely rich ecosystem containing more organic matter than any other, which also includes tropical jungles and lush forest of seaweed. Here we are talking about the Tongass National Forest. Tongass National Forest is on the Prince of Wales Island, the fourth largest island in the US, comprising about 17 million acres. This forest is found on an island which is called Prince of Wales Island, and this island is the fourth largest island in the US, which is about 17 million acres. It is one of the most biological diverse area left in the United States, with healthy populations of black bears, birds, wolves, moose, eagles and salmon. It has a healthy population of black bears, birds, wolves, moose, eagles and salmon. 60% of the forest is still available for commercial logging under Forest Service plans. Now, as I told, it is spread up to 17 million acres, so it is a large area, and 60% of the forest area is available for commercial logging under the Forest Service plans. Next we have number 6. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and high alpine reaches, it is one of the largest and most colossal remaining tracts of unspoiled temperate rainforest left in the whole world. Here we are talking about the Great Bear Rainforest. It is the rarest forest because it has the rarest animals and rarest species of different fauna and flora. It is roughly 64,000 kilometers square or 21 million acres. See, it is larger than the Tongass forest also. Tongass forest was 17 million acres and Great Bear Rainforest is around 21 million acres. It is the last and the largest tract of intact coastal temperate rainforest on the earth. It is one of its kind. It is the largest remain forest of its kind of having such temperate rainforest on the earth. And it is the home to an abundance of terrestrial and marine life. It is the home to both terrestrial and marine life species. It is mainly the home of the white fur spirit bear, which is a genetic variation of the black bear, and it is the rarest animal, and it is found only and only in the Great Bear Rainforest and nowhere else on the earth. The home of the white fur spirit bear is only the Great Bear Rainforest. Nowhere else on the earth can you find spirit bear, white fur spirit bear. Moving forward, number 7. It is located in Sri Lanka and declared a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. It is the last viable area of primary tropical rainforest of the country and is also the few virgin forest left on the planet. Now this forest is located in Sri Lanka and has been declared as a World National Heritage Site. Here we are talking about the Sinharaja Forest Reserve. It is a 6,092 hectare national park located in Sri Lanka, and it is considered to be an internationally important region of great biodiversity. It is such pretty and so much greenery is found here. It is considered to be internationally important region of great biodiversity. Lastly, number 8. This forest is specially noted for providing easy access to numerous wonderful hiking and camping opportunities, beautiful waterfalls, and marvelous sights. Some of the most distinguished highlights of the forest are the wildflower habitats at Craggy Gardens and Roan Mountain. Here we are talking about a pretty national forest, which is Pisgah National Forest. It was established in the 1916, one of the first national forests in the eastern United States. In eastern United States, it has to be counted as the first national forest, which was established in 1916. The new preserve included approximately 86,700 acres. So this new preserve at this moment today, it includes approximately 86,700 acres. It is spread to that vast area, and it is divided into 3 ranger districts, that is the Grandfather, Appalachian and Pisgah districts. Appalachian mountains are very pretty mountains and they are so high. In the United States they are very famous. So children, this was all for today's topic. I will again recall which forest we learnt about. We will again read it once. Okay. Number 1. It has been described lungs of our planet because 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by this forest. This is believed to be home to more than half of the world's species of flora and fauna, that is the Amazon rainforest. Number 2. It is one of the finest and most impressive remaining examples of temperate rainforest in the United States. The trees there may be 1,000 years old, and every surface of the tree is covered with its own plant life, which makes it an individual small microcosm. Here we were talking about the Hoh rainforest. Number 3. Famous for its historical association with the legend of Robin Hood. Today, it is a royal forest in Nottinghamshire and has a status of National Nature Reserve, that is Sherwood Forest. Number 4. It is the most unique rainforest in Australia and also the most diverse in the world. This forest contains 18% of the bird species of Australia, 30% of marsupial, reptile and frog species, 65% of the Australian butterfly and bat species, along with more than 12,000 species of insects, that is the Daintree rainforest. Number 5. Stretching 500 miles along the southeast coast of Alaska, it is the largest national forest in the United States. This is certainly an extremely rich ecosystem containing more organic matter than any other, which also includes tropical jungles and lush forest of seaweed, that is Tongass National Forest. Number 6. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and high alpine reaches, it is one of the largest and most colossal remaining tracts of unspoiled temperate rainforest left in the whole world, that is the Great Bear Rainforest. Number 7. It is located in Sri Lanka and declared a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. It is the last viable area of primary tropical rainforest of the country and is also one of the few virgin forests left on the planet, which is the Singaraja Forest Reserve. And lastly, number 8, this forest is especially noted for providing easy access to numerous wonderful hiking and camping opportunities, beautiful waterfalls and marvelous sights. Some of the most distinguished highlights of the forest are the wildflower habitats at Craggy Gardens and Roan Mountain. This is the Pisgah National Forest. So, we today learnt facts about 8 different forests, rainforest or national forest. Okay. So children, this was all in today's video. Your today's homework is that you have to write this exercise in your textbook, in your GK textbook, and you have to bring fact about any one of the forest. You have to write facts about any one of these 8 forests. Okay. So this was all for today. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.